Hey, Adam here with DIY Agency, and today we're going to take a deep dive into HeyGen and try and work on creating an AI version of myself that can really produce content at will. HeyGen has a lot of different features. I am in basically at the basic program. I'm going to be upgrading, but I wanted to show you beforehand what I can do with the basic plan. So just real quick, there's a free plan, there's a creator plan, and there's a pro plan. I'm currently on creator. Again, I am going to be upgrading to the pro plan, just so that we're very, very clear. I have not done it yet. And the reason I'm not doing it again is because I want to share what you get with the base. I will be using the bigger one because I'm going to be creating a lot of videos, and that's the whole plan for affiliate reasons and whatnot. But I want to kind of walk you through the avatars that I've already set up, kind of what they look like and how I'm going to customize it a little bit more, hoping that it creates a better version, because quite frankly, so far I'm not really excited about it, but I do want to share with you kind of how it's worked out so far. So just to be very clear, I've created a base image off of video. I added a photo avatar, which did not help in any way, shape, or form. And then the next thing I did was an eye contact correction. I'm going to kind of just show you the video that I created real quick. And I used a script. I wrote a little book about how I make money on Amazon, and I'm promoting that. But I wanted to kind of show
reviewing products
you
online earn
that
from one
I'm really bothered by this
I
little
earned from 4
tooth
with the same
gap
video.
that I don't think
In
I really
February
have,
alone, that
but it
system
showed up
generated
there,
over
and it was looking
$4,300.
away at the
Stream one,
the
Amazon
side of the
influencer.
camera
Your video
a lot.
goes-
So I was a little bothered by that. And so therefore, I just didn't want to continue to work with that. So my plan is to simply utilize a different image. So I created a couple different similar avatars based on things. One of them just doesn't really look like me at all, in my opinion. So you have to be careful with what you're doing. So the way that I'm going to go ahead and create this fix moving forward is instead of just using this look in the video, and this is the eye contact correction one, I'm going to go ahead and edit the look. Now, I can swap, and this is a cool feature, I can swap a lot of different backgrounds and images and stuff like that, but I want to try and train my personal model. And now this does cost 60 credits, and that's again why I'm going to be upgrading my system, is because you only get 200 credits per month with the creator plan, which isn't going to be enough for me. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a whole bunch of videos, images, 30 plus pictures of myself, hoping to increase the similarity of my AI twin. So that's the prep. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm not going to actually have you watch me go through pictures and stuff like that, but once it's done, I'm going to come back and finish this video. Okay, so I've uploaded, I think, something like 70 pictures, and I learned that you can only actually use 50. Over 30 is the minimum that you really want to train it with. 50 is the maximum. I'm hoping that pictures with other people is fine, because a lot of them were just strange old pictures with me and other people and stuff like that. Again, I've used 52 credits. I've got 148 remaining. So I'm going to go ahead and train this. And this is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. So I will come back when done. All right, so I created a script using Claude, which I use a lot, and just create a simple script. I already created a video, which I'll show you shortly. But in the meantime, I want to just kind of cover a couple other things. They do have an app library that allows you to do a lot of different things, like taking long videos to shorts, face swaps, real-time avatars, speech cleanups. We'll get into this in a second, because I do want to talk about that. They also allow you to just completely turn your scripts, your ideas into production-ready stuff. A lot of different options that you can mess around with. You can create like a presenter video. You can create a cinematic video. Please note this is 4 credits per second, and this will chew up your credits a lot, but it is a really, really, really cool feature. One of the things that I actually do want to mention is I'm going to be upgrading my voice feedback with ElevenLabs, because frankly, I don't like the way they match my voice on HeyGen. So I'm going to be recording a voice, and then I'm going to be uploading that each time. So I'll have 2 accounts. I'll upload the kind of the scripted voice in, and then let it lip sync with HeyGen. So just be aware of that. In the meantime, I'm kind of replacing one of the avatars. I used all the scripts, all the different faces, stuff like that. And we're going to see kind of how it's implementing my faces. We can just change And it does a decent job. I don't know that it's perfect, but it's, and again, you kind of always look at yourself a little bit differently, but it just created kind of 3 different ideas. This one definitely doesn't look like me in my opinion, but we'll work with it. So I recorded one already, and I'm gonna go ahead and record this one, generate, and we'll just call this HeyGen 2. And you can create kind of different formats if you want, resolutions, whatever you're looking to do, where you want to save it, all that stuff. You create a base template, and again, it'll just tell you kind of this action is going to take 17 credits and record. And so from there, you can see I just created this one. It's going to be utilizing that similar thing. So I wanted to have a different look. This last one's going to be more of a shorts or an Instagram Reels look and feel. So I'm going to just go ahead and attach that to the back of this video. I'm going to actually attach both of them so you can see what the feedback is.
If you're still recording yourself on camera for every video, stop. I use HeyGen to create AI avatar videos in minutes. I type my script, pick my avatar, and done. No camera, no reshoots, no editing headaches. I use it for product reviews, promos, and training content, and it looks completely professional. The crazy part, you can clone your face and voice, so your audience still sees you. You just never have to sit in front of a camera again. If you're doing affiliate marketing, YouTube, or any kind of content business, this saves you hours every week. Click the link below to try HeyGen free. Seriously, record this video once, let the AI do the rest. If you're still recording yourself on camera for every video, stop. I use HeyGen to create AI avatar videos in minutes. I type my script, pick my avatar, and done. No camera, no reshoots, no editing headaches. I use it for product reviews, promos, and training content, and it looks completely professional. The crazy part? You can clone your face and voice, so your audience still sees you, you just never have to sit in front of a camera again. If you're doing affiliate marketing, YouTube, or any kind of content business, this saves you hours every week. Click the link below to try HeyGen free. Seriously, record this video once, let the AI do the rest.
Generally speaking, I love the tool. I think it's a great thing. I'm going to have links in the bottom so that you can sign up with HeyGen and ElevenLabs, and hopefully this has been helpful to you. So thanks for watching.